Thousands of years ago, the gods living atop Mount Olympus or in the misty forests of Scandinavia were much more than today's superheroes. They didn't just govern natural events. They were massive mirrors reflecting our darkest desires, our loftiest virtues, and our most terrible mistakes. So were we created in their image? Or did we create giant shadows out of our fears and ambitions and call them God? Today, we are opening the dusty pages of mythology with the sharp blade of philosophy. We will discuss the human-shaped projection of the divine. Look at the gods in mythology. Zeus cheats, Hera burns the world out of jealousy. Poseidon sinks ships with his rage. Why do the creators of the universe have such human flaws? The ancient Greek philosopher Xenophanes dropped a bombshell in the 6th century BC. If oxen and lions had hands and could paint, they would draw their gods in the shape of oxen and lions. Humans gave the infinite, unintelligible universe their own face to domesticate it. We humanized the gods so that we could bargain with them. The most interesting point in mythology is the existence of a power even above the gods, Moira, or fate. Even Zeus cannot stand in the way of destiny. If everything is pre-written, where is free will? Stoic philosophy says the universe is a rational whole, and everything happens as it must. The real question is, are we the protagonists in the script of our own lives, or just extras in a theater played for the gods' amusement? When Nietzsche unleashed his famous cry, "God is dead," he wasn't talking about a murder, but the end of an era. So what happened when the gods died? Do you think we left their place empty? No. In modern mythology, ideologies, tech giants, and algorithms have replaced the gods. The human who once feared Zeus now fears digital shadows. Mythology tells us who we are. Philosophy tells us who we could be. Gods are massive metaphors for human potential. Perhaps Olympus never really existed. Perhaps that mountain was nowhere else but the summit of our own minds.